Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The makeup look that we are going to be doing today is the face art makeup rainbow droplets. As you can see, I have already started out with applying my foundation on and did my eyebrows as well. Firstly, you would want to grab your pencil eyeliner so that you could outline before applying the colors later on. First, I am going to be starting out towards the middle of my nose and going out there. This way, the outline would be able to help you guide to where and how are you going to be drawing the droplets. And then I would be also gonna be doing the same to the other side as well. After outlining in the process, you can do as what I did as well, to where you can make it into a more bold effect. And now for the rainbow colors, I am going to be using my Beauty Bay Bright Matte Eyeshadow Palette. Before adding on the different colors, you would want to use a concealer to where you're going to apply the eyeshadow and to where that is going to be making your eyeshadow more pigmented and more visible. And you would want to use a flat brush so that the concealer would be evenly spread out. And now for the eyeshadow process, the first color pink shade that I am using is the Make Them Wink and Dragon Fruit, where I have mixed both of them. And again, we are going to be using a flat brush, and in this process you can use any flat brush as long as it is a flat brush. I am going to be starting out in the midway of my nose. In this way, it would evenly spread out the colors. The next violet shade that we are going to be using is the Bleu. I do apologize if I'm not pronouncing the shades properly. And now, as you can see, I have shifted to a eyeshadow brush to where we can blend both of the colors, because we wouldn't want to make it so plain to where it would leave a line in between. The next shade that I am going to be using is the Pacific Dreams. When adding the colors, make sure that you see both sides are evenly spread out, because we wouldn't want the other side to be having more and we wouldn't want the other side to be having less of the color. Or it is up to you guys if you want like to have the other side would be more and the other side would be less. That would be up to your creativity. As you can see, I have been adding concealer in between of the process to where the concealer has already faded, and that is why I need to add more of the concealer. The next green shade that I am going to be using is the Granny Smith. The next shade that I am going to be using, which is the color yellow, that is called Hello Sunshine. Next shade is Tangerine Dream, which is the color orange. The next and last color is the color red, and the shades that I have used for this is the Poppin', Poppy and Hot Stuff, to where I have mixed both again. And now I'm going to be doing the same to the other side as well. And now we are going to be grabbing our eyeliner gel so that we could make the outlines more darker. And the makeup brush that you can use is either one of the two, which is the eyeliner brush or concealer brush. And now I have done for one side, and now I'm gonna be doing the same to the other side as well. And now lastly, we are going to be grabbing our highlighter palette to where we are gonna do some final touches. And now I am going to be grabbing my Makeup Revolution London Matte Poise lipstick. And now for my eyeshadow process, as you can see, I have already done it, and now I am going to be showing you guys on how to do it as well. The eyeshadow process is going to be like the process to what I have did earlier, although this would be like a mini version. This may be a bit hard, although you could take your time in doing this process, because in what I feel in drawing in the eye area is that it would be hard in drawing some curves. Again, after outlining, do not forget to apply your concealer on, and make sure the concealer is evenly spread out. Whenever you add the eyeshadow shade, make sure that you may add it on top and on the bottom of your eye as well. And I am going to be using a flat brush in this process. And now we are going to be grabbing our gel eyeliner again, and we are going to be outlining those outlines to make it more darker. Do not worry, as it is okay if you would not be able to draw in the line to where you have drawn it. And the last step that I am going to be doing is that I am going to be adding my falsies. Hope you guys like this final makeup look that I have done. This makeup look is not originally made by me, although I have looked it up on Pinterest and it made me inspired. If I would have to rate my own makeup look, I would say I would give it a 6.5 out of 10, because just by recreating those makeup looks that you see on Pinterest, sometimes you may achieve it, sometimes you may not achieve it, although at the end it's worth a try. Don't forget to like and share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well, and hit that notification bell button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye guys!